Today we're diving into a topic that interests many of us, metabolism. We all want to maintain a healthy weight and energy levels, and understanding how to boost our metabolism naturally is a great place to start. So let's jump right into 5 quick ways you can rev up your metabolic engine without relying on artificial stimulants or complex diets. Before we get into those 5 tips, let's clarify what metabolism actually is. Metabolism refers to the chemical processes that occur within your body to maintain life. It's how your body converts food into energy. A higher metabolic rate means you burn calories more efficiently, which can help with weight management and overall health. Our first tip is straightforward: stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for your metabolism. Research shows that drinking cold water can temporarily boost your metabolism. As your body uses energy to heat the water up to body temperature, aim for at least 8 glasses a day. You can also include herbal teas or infused waters for added flavor. Just make sure to avoid sugary drinks, as they can counteract your efforts. Additionally, drinking water before meals can help regulate calorie intake, making it a win-win. Next up is strength training. Building muscle is one of the most effective ways to increase your metabolic rate. Unlike fat, muscle burns more calories at rest, meaning the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn throughout the day. Even activities like bodyweight exercises, resistance bands, or weightlifting can help. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, targeting all major muscle groups. And don't forget to change up your routine. Mixing in different exercises or increasing weights can prevent plateaus and keep your muscles challenged. On to our third tip: eat metabolism-boosting foods. Certain foods have higher thermogenic effects, meaning they require more energy to digest. Include foods like lean protein sources. Think chicken, fish, beans, and legumes into your diet. Protein is especially beneficial because it boosts your metabolism for a few hours due to its high thermic effect. Then there are spices. For example, cayenne pepper or ginger can temporarily raise your metabolism. Plus, don't overlook the power of green tea. Studies suggest it can increase fat oxidation and calorie burning. And let's not forget whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, and oats take longer for your body to break down, which means more calories burned during digestion.